Hello, I am yet again streaming from a park, just out with my one wheel. Yeah, it's plugged in right there, charging up. And I am indeed streaming from my phone, so we'll see how that goes. I believe last time, yesterday, I was streaming through an Xfinity hotspot somewhere, and I'm pretty sure there are three YouTube streams, so something went wrong yesterday. But yeah, we'll see how it goes today. And I'm limited to, I think, 20 or 30 gigabytes of tethered data before I get drastically rate limited. So, or not rate limited, but yeah, speed limited. Um, so yeah, it's gonna be, yeah, we'll see how much data this ends up using. Probably a lot. And we'll see how well this goes. So I just like being outside working. So coming here, I am trying to fix a issue. Oh, and here's the chat. This is where we're chatting. I'm trying to fix an issue with the KCD shop. Um, Specifically, I was working on making it work better for the advanced React patterns workshop, which I'm giving in a couple weeks in the Canary Islands. But yeah, I've made like a ton of changes. Last time I was working on this was on Wednesday, maybe. Um, and so yeah, it's been a little while. And unfortunately, the last thing I remember, the app wasn't starting. So this is gonna be a real pain trying to figure out what's going on. So the first thing we're gonna do is run the build. Um, and then we're going to um, let's see. Probably the easiest way to do this is if I set the KCD uh, workshop context, let's set it to this. Um, and then node packages, workshop app, dist or build, then yeah, start. There we go. Okay, so oh, we got dev mode running, so we're not using the build, but that's okay. Now we got a console log somewhere. Oh man, yeah, we were going all over the place because I was changing it so that the ranges were no longer supported, which simplifies a lot of things, but also like it impacted a ton of stuff. So anyway, let's see if we can get this going. It's interesting. There's no log here. Definitely should be a log, I think. Um, oh, let me double check. Yeah, okay. The mic levels are actually going. 5639. Yeah, I didn't think so. There's something I messed up. Uh-huh, that's interesting. Huh. Pretty sure this isn't going to make a difference. I wonder why it exits. That is weird. Why? I'm pressing up and down and it's skipping a bunch. That is so strange. Okay, we're gonna reload this. Okay, that is working now. Okay, so here we're gonna go to light mode. Theme, light, light. There we go. It's just way easier for me to see. Okay, so all these DTS files, not good. That is not at all good. Definitely should not be a thing. Yikes. What the heck? What? Where the heck these things come from? Oh, that's right. No, no, no. That is fine. That's fine. Okay, yep. Because I do stupid things because I don't know how to use NPM. Okay, so um, why would it not proceed? Try the build again. Why does it stop? Full path for playground. Okay. This is using an old thing, so let's that should we should handle that failure case. So then in here, yeah, we do that. Yep, that's fine. Find solution dir comes back recursively. It includes problems, so then we come down in here. Here, let's do o1.e to e.o1. So we can get that log. Oh, right. I want to do this with just the built version of the files before doing stuff with dev. So yeah, I definitely expected that to work. Let's just do this. That was the wrong thing. There we go. Huh. So it stops right here. Okay, great. So it's looking for the solution dir for the playground. It finds this, which is wrong. That's an old version. We'll get to updating that in a second. And then full path for the playground app. Uh, yeah, yeah, that makes sense. It's wrong, but yeah, it makes sense that it would be that, and that makes sense that would be that. And then I suppose the base name would include dot problem, so we should end up in here. Yeah, this would throw, or no, 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 that should work. Huh. Whoops. Okay. That's interesting. Maybe this doesn't return what I think it does. Um, that should definitely include a full path. Oh, maybe this get after info. Aha. We're throwing and then we're swallowing the error somehow. Something swallows the error. That's why it stops. That makes tons of sense that it would stop. Okay, so we can get rid of these logs now. Um, I guess we'll leave that. Well, heck, we'll get rid of that. And then get rid of that. So now I just got to figure out why are we swallowing the error? Who is calling? Uh, yeah, why are we swallowing this error? So it's in get problem from path. Get the solution dir. That's called recursively. This is in the test. Oh yeah, we'll get rid of the step number. No longer necessary, so that's nice. Name, what is name used for? Name. Yes, that makes sense. Hmm. Yeah, I don't need that anymore either. Get that from the full path. Yeah, a lot of things changed all at once. This was a mistake. And this is why rewrites are always going to be better. You say, we rewrote our app, and it suddenly got way faster, and it was easier to navigate and understand. Well, yeah, because you rewrote your app because you have all the constraints now. I mean, it's still cool, but okay. All right, so who's swallowing the error? Um, Pretty sure that's going to lead us to it, and I believe now we can do um, just dev server. There we go. That's interesting. It starts. Huh, that is very interesting. What am I missing? Whoops. My bad. Try that again. And boom, there it is. So that's why it never starts because this throws, and I'm pretty sure I know why. We go into our server. There's a place here where I call get apps, but I'm fire for get. So that shouldn't cause any trouble. Unless, um, unless it's in the non-promised path, so it fails on this tick, which I don't think so, but oh no. Hmm. Well, that doesn't appear to make any difference. All right, let's go back here. And what we need is a stack. Okay, so when we say get test info, instead of get fresh value, that's unfortunate because get fresh value is used everywhere. And this is not going to help me one little bit because source maps are stupid. I don't know why. Okay, get test info. So it gets called here. Ends up throwing. Something is throwing and swallowing. Hmm. We literally only have 2 catches in here. What could it be? Okay, well, come back to get fresh value. Hmm. See what happens there. No? Oh, that's too bad. I was hoping it would tell me that it threw. Oops. Magpies are fighting. Alright. I'm pretty sure after is, yeah, it's this app that doesn't exist. And yeah. So that's fine. It's just that I definitely was hoping to find out who specifically is calling this get test info and triggering that throw. So, and the problem is that there's so many things happening all at the same time that it's be really difficult to find out which one is causing the problem. I suppose this would be when we're getting the playground info though. So yeah, that would be this one. Hmm. Why? What are you complaining about? Hmm. Well, that's interesting. Mm-hmm. Yeah, server's not actually ready. Definitely kind of thought that would work, even though the type check or type defs are not. Hmm. Uh, what? Why is this complaining? I don't get it. Is not assignable to. Oh, okay, fine. I don't care. Yeah, here's the oh no. I do not understand why 5639. Hmm. I should remove pmap here. If you've got a concurrency of one, you may as well just loop over them one at a time. See, there's a lot of cleanup that needs to happen here. This definitely evolved. I'm just thinking maybe I need to add a catch on all this stuff. Make it a little bit more resilient. Uh-huh. Don't think we need to flatten this anymore. Okay, there we go. It's magically working now. Hooray. Okay, we are missing some very important things though. This is very interesting. Up here. Well, okay, so we got it more resilient. Sort of. Um, let's go to all these catch null places and console error. Okay. Ah, I got my regex wrong, probably. I think I changed the regex. I think I did. Oh man, that's amazing. Of course it's regex. It's always regex. I didn't check this either. Okay, so that definitely matches. Hmm. Copy this one. Huh. Or maybe, um, yeah, cannot identify the step number for directory with regex. Okay, try that on for size. That's the one. So there's something about this step number. Hmm. All right. Here it is, step number. Yeah, it's because this is a string. Um, Here it is, right there. Yep. We're gonna call this our step number string. Boom. There it is. That fixes it. It'll work now. I thought it would work now. I think I might need to reboot this. Oh. Hmm. Ah, yes. Okay, so I'm calling vector info with the full path. You cannot do that. You gotta do it with the dir name. Yep. Okay. Path dot base name full path. There we go. Okay. We can call it dir name. That's what we do it elsewhere. Yep. Okay. Yuck. Yeah, we got a log somewhere. Console log. Get rid of these console logs. We'll probably add some more, but yeah. All right. Try it once more. And we're still getting this giant log. Unhandled sorting case. Huh, that's interesting. We'll have to look at that in a second. Let's deal with this first. That is, yep, that's the problem. It's in the wrong directory, or it's set to the wrong thing. That's no big deal. But I suppose maybe this unhandled sorting case thing is a problem. Is it super windy for y'all? I hope that it's not super windy. I'm like really annoying to watch this. Oh, okay. We got the extra. We don't have the problem name, so that's kind of unexpected. But it looks like we've got it for exercise 1, step 1, and exercise 5, step 5. In both cases, so this one it's a problem and we do have the solution. And this one, it is a solution, but we do not have the problem. And they are not related to each other. Let's just make sure that this is not a reality. So we do have a problem and solution. And problem and solution there. I'm not sure what is going on here. I'm also uncertain why this is an unhandled sorting case. So it's not a playground app. The type is solution. It's not an example app. The types are the same. Then we're going to check their exercise numbers. If their exercise numbers are the same. So I guess for this one, we're getting to this point and never finding a type that is also solution. That seems very wrong. And then we get here and it's not a problem app, and we get here and it says it's not a solution app. Why is it not a solution app? Oh, let's see. ID, there it is. Haha, I changed it, so we no longer have an ID. This is why I should use Zod for that. I didn't have Zod before, I have it now. See, there's problems with evolving things. All right, let's try that now. Still, to restart the whole thing. We got in-memory caches going on. Aha, there we go. And then if I go set to playground, boom, there we go. And we've got this now. Dun dun dun. Set to playground. That's awesome. The playground thing is there. If we go over here, it's sitting right there. Looks great. I've got to do that. This seems to be working. Copy. And then we'll be in here and we'll paste that. Hit play. Oh, no tests, yeah. Okay, so here's what we're going to cheat and say now the playground is at the solution. Okay, and now, boom, there it is. Isn't that awesome? That is so cool. And off we go, and it passes. Booyah. You can follow it along. We do this, we do that, we do that, we do that. Sweet. And now if I come all the way down here to the last solution. Okay, boom, look at that. Now we got all that stuff. Do that again. Now we do a bunch more things. Uh-oh. We might need to reboot the server for this. Yeah, probably need to reboot the server for that. Something busted. Nobody's gonna do that. It'll be fine. Okay. Anyway, yeah, feeling pretty good about this. This is definitely something worthy of a release. Well, at least a commit. Fix. What did I fix? I don't even know. I can't remember. Here, let's do this. Whoop. What did I do? What have I done? Simplified things. Oh yeah, I made it so that the test. That's right. Okay, here, let's try this. Um, uh, Try running this with that workshop. Cool. Neat. So if I go here, I was making it so the tests would work. That's what I was doing. And so I can now switch to solution. And those tests should pass. Hooray. I can go to the problem. That, yeah, that one, there's no test that actually doesn't work. So then we go here, it fails, and it fails for the right reason. Yep. Sick, and then here, boom. Man, this test thing is so cool. Okay, so that's good. So that's the feature that we're doing here. Oops. And fix. Test. We're in browser test work again. And a whole bunch of other changes that will probably break something. Uh-oh, we got a merge conflict. Dang it. Man. What was the change that was made here? Inconsistent header height. Yeah, okay, dang it. How many conflicts are there? Just the one? Okay, so here's how we're going to solve this. This one. Accept current change. Okay, why is this red? No problems in the workspace. So why are you red? Is it because the... Yeah. There it is. Okay. All right, let's just run the dev server really quick. Make sure that it does still look nice. And yes, it does. Beautiful. Okay, great. So before I push and do that, I think it's break time. And I do want to, oh man, it's break time 5 minutes ago. I'm going to take a break, and I do want to improve this further to fix the feature where when, oh, whatever. When you click, we've got this like link thing where you click on the link in the instructions and it updates the browser. That's not working for some reason. So I want to fix that before I actually do the release. So I'll see you in about 5 minutes. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, it's always regex. But the regex wasn't wrong, was it? It was, I was passing the wrong thing. That's what was wrong. It wasn't the regex. Okay. Anyway, so the next thing was, yeah, I think we've got an example of this in the app here. Yeah, here we go. Let's update this, start the app, and I should be able to go to whatever. Hey, it totally worked. All right, in that case, we need to try this and start this app. App is starting. All's well. Then we click login, and nothing happens. That is the problem. So let's see. What could it be? Unfortunately, I can't open this up in another thing and test that. There, I have to have it in the iframe. Let's refresh here, get this cleared out. And it does work if I start there, so that's nice. But we got a lawnmower here, so this might get a little loud. I hope not. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it because I am using my AirPods, but we'll see. All right, so let's look at here. There's the iframe. Now, when I click on this, it's supposed to um, do a post message. So let's make sure that is happening. So I want to see if y'all can hear this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can hear it just fine. That is so interesting. His back tires are not full of air. They're one of those like new kind of tires that don't move air. That's crazy. What tool is that? That's a very loud play. That's so loud. It's like, I don't know, airless tires. Let me see if I can find a picture of it for you. Yes, it's just like one of these things. It's the craziest thing. It totally works. I wonder how efficient it is, or if it's like a problem in that way. Okay, anyway, yeah, let's take a look at where this goes. It is link to app. Here we go. Okay, so the link itself works. It is coming to the right place. Then you can one click, you do this in browser ref, handle external navigation. So let's just follow that. Okay. So we'll click on this. Boom, there's the debugger. Go here, and you dive into this. And that is connected, so that at least works. Set path name input value. And so that should update that, which it does. I've seen that. And then iframe context history to get the current path name. Okay, navigate child to the new place. And we're going to replace, if they're the same, we're not going to replace in our case. Okay, that all looks copacetic. I think that's the right word. Everything looks good. Navigate child though. Let's dive into navigate child. I do remember changing something here recently. Yeah, this is crazy complicated. Really would love to figure out an easier way to do this. Last direction ref. What a joke. Um, who wrote that thing? Me. I wrote that thing. So I'm not surprised that this has got bugs. This should probably be, this logic should all go into a state machine. Probably. Okay. I can't remember why I did things this way. Oh, I know why. It's because I can't distinguish between change that is initiated outside versus inside, I think. I can't remember. I should probably write comments for this. This part feels very brittle to me. Yes, yes, it definitely is. Okay, so then we do our post message in the iframe content window, the KCDShop navigate call. So I wonder if I can get into that before we get there. Um, oh, hold on a second. I think I know what's going on. I'm pretty sure I know what's going on. Whoops. Uh, so in here, root TSX, we have the KCDShop iframe sync. We do not have that in the testing one. That was an oversight when I was making this. I totally forgot to add that. And that's why it doesn't work. Hooray! I need to stick this. Where do we put it? Right above the no hydrate. Boom. There it is. Awesome. Okay, that'll fix it. So let's do this and that. Do. And then okay, that should fix that. Hooray! Where'd my debugger statement go? We don't need that anymore. So this will not necessitate a re-release, which is nice. And then again, make sure that all stuff gets copied, and we go boom. And it doesn't work, of course. Who knows why? I don't know. Let's stop the app and start it up again. It should actually land on login. There we go. Okay, that seems to be working now. Okay, good. Well, we fixed that, and that doesn't need a release. So that's always a wonderful thing. And we can push. Yay. Sadly, the latest version of Remix does not, or has a couple of bugs that are going to be problematic for me. So we cannot use the latest version of Remix in tomorrow's workshop, but that's not going to impact any of our learning outcomes, so it'll be fine. Okay, so the last thing I need to do, yell at Kent if you're reading this. Let's fix that. Do we have another to-do in here? We have a lot of to-dos. Yeah. but it's just this one that we need to actually do. Including end-to-end testing, authenticated um, unit testing, component testing, and testing with the database. All right, those are the things we're going to do. Outline. We've got and to maybe this outline should just go in there. Yep, let's just do that. Okay. Okay, now I need to choose an emoji for myself. How about an imp? Or a rock star. That could be fun. Or a man teacher. I suppose that makes the most sense. Okay, great. So now, yep, update. I'm only guessing that I actually, yep, it was released. I think it was released. Oh, we're like way back. That's interesting. I didn't realize we were that far behind on versions. All right, so they land here. Boom, here they are. All right. Do. You know what? I think we're gonna be swapping this here. Well, no, I actually kind of like the way that it's sorted here. This is the stupidest thing I can imagine. Where? There we go. That's less stupid, but still pretty stupid. Okay. And these are MDX files, actually. Okay. Uh, I'm so sorry. My ear pods were in, so that turning my head did nothing. Okay. Let me go through this, and then start learning. And then do. And then here's our feedback. Start learning. Feedback and start learning. Whoa, what just happened? I accidentally clicked on a link. Oh, yeah, that one. That makes sense. And then this page looks like garbage. I forgot to fix this one to not look so bad. Alright, here we are. Beautiful. It looks awesome. Okay, update everything. Everything's been updated. Okay. KCDOTS definitely needs to go into my personal dictionary. There we go. Okay, well, that is that. Um, feel pretty good about things here. Um, yeah, advanced React patterns. Here, let's do this. Update this one. Oh, you know what? There was another thing I wanted to do. I wanted to see if I could get Playwright updated. Yeah, here, let's go to your solution. Playwright config or Playwright. Let's look at the version here. They just passed 2 million weekly downloads. Congratulations to them. 3 minutes ago was last published. That's exciting. I wonder what version that was. Probably not this one. I'm pretty sure this was released a while ago. I hear an ice cream truck. I'm tempted. Yeah, it's right there. Oh my gosh. When's my break? 19 minutes? Sorry, ice cream truck. It's not break time for me. There's literally nobody here. Why are they driving this way? It's an iceberg ice cream truck. It's like a specific vendor or something. That's interesting. Okay. Anyway, we've got that. Let's go to remix. Ah, shoot. How do I update just this one in all of the workshops? Oh, rats. This is gonna be tough. Hold on a second. That's in the package lock too. Interesting. I wonder what happened. Right. NPM workspaces update dependency. I have a feeling ChatGPT is going to have this. No, we want GPT-4. I have a repo that is an npm workspace with a version with where'd playwright go? Of every workspace. How do I update that to every workspace accounting for the package block JSON? Yeah, okay, yada yada yada. No, that's not. Who does for each anymore? ChatGPT? Some people do. I don't care. Yeah, okay, come on. Move on to the next bit. Okay. No. I don't think that's gonna work at all. Let's just try this. I don't want to delete the package lock because that would not be good. But if ChatGPT is saying just updating the package JSON and then running npm install would update the package lock, then it's good enough for me, but I don't think that is the case. Huh. Well, okay then. Great news. So with that in place now, I want to see um, the standard out option does not seem to be available. Is Microsoft issues poll this? There seems to have been releases since this was merged, but it isn't showing in the TypeScript. Yeah. Or the docs. When can we expect to get this update? There's this couple over there who have an adorable puppy. They're very distracting. Okay. I'm guessing this will not work. So if I go here, and then I go, whoop, copy this thing, and in another terminal window, run this. I want to see the output there, but I'm not. Yeah, so that feature doesn't exist yet. That is too bad. Oh well. I suppose I can do this. So with that in mind, often it's very helpful to see the standard out of the app. So what do we do? What do we do? In the playground, when I run the tests, man, this stinks. Oh, hold on a second. I gotta check what my wife needs. Give me just a second. I'll be right back. Okay. What was I doing? Yeah, I gotta figure out how to get that standard out printing, or at least how to tell people how to do it. I mean, we could have this default to port 4000 because that's where the playground is running, and then just tell them run the playground. That'd probably be the easiest. Uh, okay, let's ping folks on Playwright about this. How do I find my posts? Hmm. Well, that's annoying. That doesn't even work. Well, that's annoying. Okay, well, my post was forever ago. Good grief. Uh, no, I cannot remember what I would have called it. It would have been called something like, uh, hmm, you know what? There is actually another way to do this. Um, I think it was talked about in the issue that this references. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, you've used 80% of smartphone mobile hotspots high-speed data. Whoops. And it goes until 5:21. Well, that stinks. I'm gonna stop live streaming now. So thanks for watching. Um, I need to have some tethering capabilities. So I'll try to go somewhere else and live stream when I've got Xfinity hotspot, but can't do it from the phone anymore. And I would pay like some more money each month to be able to have unlimited hotspot tethering from my phone. But yeah, what are you gonna do? See ya.